Okay, so I'm going to show you how to disarm the system in an emergency on our Fiat Abarth 595 security package. So you get a driver card with the system acknowledging you as the recognised authorised driver of the vehicle. If somebody was to attempt to steal the vehicle using a cloned or stolen key without the driver card, the vehicle won't start, the alarm won't switch off, make lots of noise, lots of attention, keeping your car safe. However, if you lose your driver card, you need to be able to override the system to enable you to start your vehicle and get you home safe. So each system comes with a unique 4-digit PIN code, and your little we typically put it somewhere out of the way. It's down behind the dash trim here. So each system comes with its own unique PIN code, which we use that button and that little red flashing light to enter to disarm the system in an emergency. So the system's armed at the moment, so I'm keeping very still, trying not to set the system off with the internal movement sensors, but it may well trigger halfway through my demonstration because I'm going to move about. But if it does, hopefully you can still hear me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter a code. We've put a code in this one of 3433. So we're going to enter the code. Each time we push the button, the LED will blink to acknowledge the push, and then if we pause at the end of the first code entry, the 3, we should get a longer flash to acknowledge enter of that number 3. So you'll get the idea anyway when I show you pushing the button. So I'm going to do that now. 3433. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. There you go. So disarm now. So you heard on the car, you could hear the siren disarming, system disarming. There's the driver card. So typically you wouldn't need to put that code in unless you lost this card or your battery was flat in the card. But to arm and disarm the system, you're just going to simply push your lock button, push your unlock button. But importantly, if you've not got that card and you press the unlock button, our system stays armed, protecting the car against theft by stolen or cloned key. Stays armed, keeps it immobilised. If it doesn't see the card within 20 seconds of unlocking, it will sound the horn, sound the siren, flash the indicators, etc. Insurance approved, keep the insurance company happy. We can supply and install this system on many different makes and models, but it's quite a popular addition, obviously, on the little Abarth. Give us a call to find out more.